Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine. Welcome to a new lecture of book 1. So we are discussing chapter 1, prime, highest common factor and lowest common multiple, and today we have to solve practice no 4. In practice no 4, in previous lectures we have learned about prime numbers, composite numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, and factors, prime factors. So and we learn about factorization. Today we learn how to find square root using prime factorization and find square root about given factorization. So in question number 1, find square root 784 using prime factorization, and in question number 2, given that prime factorization of 7056 are 2 raised to power 4 into 3 square into 7 square, you have to find square root of 1056 without using calculator. So let's solve these parts one by one. First of all, part 1. Part of 1 is 784. So 784 divided by 2, that is 392, divided by 2 196, divided by 2 98, and divided by 2 49, and 49 cannot be divided by 2, it can only be divided by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, and 7 divided by 7, that is equal to 1. So the factors we obtain are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So these are 6 factors of 784. Now using index notation, you write these factors in index form. 784 is equal to 2 raised to power 4, because 2 is repeating 4 times and 7 repeating 2 times. Note, taking square root on both sides. Here 784 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 7 square. When square root will be taken, 2 raised to power 4 will be converted to square, and 7 square would be converted as 7. So 2 square into 7, 4 into 7, that is equal to 28. So the answer is 28. Now practice no 2, factors are given. 1. Here we have no need to find factorization, as factors are already given and given in index notation. You have to just take square root of both sides. Taking square root, 2 raised to power 4 will be converted into 2 square, and 3 square would be remain 3, because when we take square root, then 2 power raised to power 2 जो है वो स्क्वायर रूट से कट जाती है. सेम एज 7 स्क्वायर जो है उसको 7 लिख लेंगे आप. 7 इंटू 3 21, एंड 2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4. 21 4 आर 84 इसका आंसर आ जाएगा. आई होप योर कॉन्सेप्ट इज क्लियर नो. सो प्लीज़ नोट योर होमवर्क असाइनमेंट. So relevant questions of homework assignments are exercise 1A, questions number 3, A to B part, and question number 4. These two questions are relevant to the practice no we have solved today, and please remember to solve your work in neat and clean form and upload on the AIS. So please while uploading your homework, you have to convert it into PDF form or document form, so it will be easy for you to upload on the given website. Thank you so much. If you thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for upcoming lecture, so that you can have alert of when I upload the next lecture.